Ahe Xitsonga ka hina I Manyangatsi to komisa antisisi ku lava nga se subscribe ku va na nkani kumbe njhani because I khale ni fanele ku subscribe and leswi talk swa ku mina a ni fiki xikarhi ka video loko kha ni analyze ni fanele ku hayi mi kharava loko subscribe ni ku byala kwala masungula but anyways let's talk about that. If you subscribe it's cool, if you don't want it's fine, but if you haven't subscribed and you want to subscribe please subscribe. So lexi lava ku xi raise namuntlha ni I have a concern mhaka hina a ni na ku mi ni twiseni ku there are people who expect to be promoted Xitsonga music promotion for free. Xitsonga music promotion has around 80 something thousand followers page. You reach a minimum of more than 4 million reach a month. So this page was started in 2013 slow in 2020 now page around 8 years slow primary. What do you think we've been doing with this page? We've been investing our own money. This is to promote this page, make sure with this page you want to go some music promotion. I focus on the likes and stuff. We focus much on the reach. We figure out so you come to us after 8 years of Gogo Manyangatsi Kombela on pushing this album. And look for what's your budget? I don't have anything. For me, it feels insulting. Some might say I'm rude because I even saw some comments. Like YouTube, I think it's last week. I'm rude. I don't really love people. I'm just joking. I've been loving Xitsonga music people for 8 years now. But then at some point, at some point I must buy that. So what I'm trying to say, if you want your music promoted, as I'm always advertising each and every video, surely for the last 5 videos at the end, like I music promotion, I've always said, I've always said that we work based on your budget, which means that if you have less than what we would expect, if you have something, let me push you. I'm not saying I'm in love with from me. I'm not saying I'm in to that extent if I didn't promote anyone. However, I'm saying that let me not do it for free because I've been doing it for 7 years. So what I'm saying is if you need promotion, you got 064 968 9940. Please, let's also hi, are you good? Doesn't work. Once you go high and go high, are you good? I don't respond. That's something else. All I want to put there. So what I'm trying to say, you say whatever you want, and then I will come back to you. Because 064 968 9940. We promote this thing. Music Xitsonga will promote however. There must be a budget. Do you think local find the pep our live page for free? Like promote the reviews and everything. Do you think that over live for free? Colinsi, Kambule over live for free? It's not for free. Look about the data, but we can't keep on digging from our pockets. So the extent you go say na salasi, for 8 years. Gang online. Sorry for calling you gang, but if you need promotion, is 064 968 9940. We offer interviews, upload your music on YouTube, consistently push your music on the page. Another thing is that we don't offer anything less than 500,000, not 500,000, 500 downloads or 500 views per album or per single, whatsoever you want. Showing at the interview, we don't offer less than 500 views. So like I'm in the mashaka bangana and stuff. But then this year, so we're gonna do it for free. It's over. I'm gonna subscribe and for telling me on police or something. I shouldn't have this one, but however, is I'm in the most polite way. Because I know la one thing I'm gonna this one was on road. But I thought it's not worth it. What we can do. I'm gonna subscribe and